In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show or hide the PDF toolbar in Adobe Acrobat Pro. Whether you're working on a project, reviewing documents, or simply navigating through PDFs, adjusting the visibility of your toolbar can make your workflow smoother and more efficient. So let's dive into the steps you need to get started. First, you'll need to open a PDF file in Adobe Acrobat Pro. You can do this by launching the software and navigating to the File menu. From there, select Open and locate your desired PDF file on your device. Double-click and it should load directly in the main interface of Acrobat Pro. At this point, you should see your PDF on the screen, along with various toolbars at the top and side of the window. To manage your toolbars, there are two methods you can use. The first, and probably the quickest, is simply pressing the F8 key on your keyboard. This key acts as a toggle switch for your toolbars. Pressing it will either show or hide them, depending on their current state. So, if your toolbars are visible and you want a bit of a cleaner view, press F8 to hide them. If they're hidden and you need easy access to your tools, hit F8 again to bring them back into view. Now let's discuss the second method. This approach is helpful if you're more comfortable with using your mouse or if your keyboard does not have an F8 key. Start by directing your attention to the top menu bar, click on View. In the drop down menu that appears, hover over the option labelled Show Hide. This will expand another submenu. Here you will find an option called Toolbar Items. Move your cursor over it and you'll see the option Reset Toolbars. Clicking on this option will reset your toolbar display to the default setting, making all toolbars visible again if they were previously hidden. This method is particularly beneficial if you've customized your toolbar extensively and want to revert to the original setup for a fresh start. Customization is great, but sometimes a reset can help if you've misplaced tools or menus. In summary, whether you prefer the speed of pressing F8 or navigating through the menu options, both methods allow you to control your workspace easily. These techniques can be especially handy during presentations or when sharing your screen, allowing you to tailor what your audience sees. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can easily manage your toolbar visibility in Adobe Acrobat Pro. Knowing how to efficiently toggle these options can enhance your productivity and ensure that you always have the right tools at your fingertips. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.